Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today for class 8 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 12 on number system. Okay, let us see the first question. The product of divisors of 7056 is, okay, what are the products divisors we have? Their product he is asking us. Okay, now how to solve this? To find out the product of divisors, first let us prime factorize the given number. What is that? 7056. 7056, if we have to write it as product of prime factors. Now let us divide with 2. So we have 35 times, this is 2 times and 8. Again 2 if you take, that is 17 2s are 34, 12 means 6, that is 4. Again with 2, 8 2s are 16, 8 and 2. Next if you take 2, that is 4 times 1, so that is 3. If you take, that is 1 4 7, again 3, 4 3s are 12, 9 49, then again 7 times of 7. So the 7056 we can able to write as 2 to the power of 1 2 3 4 we have, so it is 2 to the power of 4 into 3 3, that is 3 square, times of it is 7 7, that is 7 square. So we can write 7056 as 2 to the power of 4 into 3 square into 7 square. Okay, first what is the number of factors of it? Number of divisors. First let us find out it. Number of divisors of 7056 is equal to, number of divisors we know already, it is 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1, that is going to be, this is 5 into 3 into 3, that is 5 9s are 45. So number of divisors is 45 for us. Now what he is asking us, product of divisors. What is the product of divisors of a given number 7056? There is a formula for that. If n is the number, product of factors is given as n power, if n is a number, if you consider it as n, that is going to be n to the power of divisors of n upon 2. That is a formula. N power divisors of n upon 2. If you take divisors of 2 is 45, 45 upon 2, and it is 7056. So that is going to be n, if you replace with this value, it is going to be 7056, 7056 to the power of 45 by 2. But in options we don't have any option like that. Okay, so what to do? Little conversion we need to do. We all know that 7056 is nothing but 84 square. 84 into 84 is 7056. So it is 84 square times of 45 by 2. So here 2 cancels and the resultant answer is 84 to the power of 45. So the product of the divisors of 7056 is nothing but 84 to the power of 45. 84 to the power of 45 is nothing but the third option. Okay, third option is the right answer. Anyway, what is the procedure? First the given number we converted as product of primes. Next we have found out its number of divisors or number of factors. So we got it as 45. So product of the divisors of given n is nothing but n to the power of d of n by 2. Now replacing n with 7056, d of n with 45, this is d of n 45, we have the value as 7056 to the power of 45 by 2, but 7056 is nothing but 84 square. So I wrote that 84 square to the power of 45 by 2, that results in the answer as 84 to the power of 45, which is third option. Okay, now we will move to the next question. The sum of the divisors of 120 is, okay, sum of the divisors he is asking. Even when finding sum of the divisors, first step is you have to convert 120 into product of primes. 2 times 60, that is 2 times 30, that is 2 times 15, 3 times 5. So 120 we can write as 2 cube times of 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Okay, 120 we can write as 2 cube times of 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Now he is asking us to find out sum of the factors, sum of the divisors or factors, that is given by 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into 3 plus 3 power 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 into 5 power 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 5 minus 1. This is the formula. If you have something like P1 power alpha 1, P2 power alpha 2, P3 power alpha 3, the answer is, some of the divisors is P1 power alpha plus 1 minus alpha plus 1 minus 1 by P1 minus 1. It goes on like that. Now this is to be simplified. 2 power, that is 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16 minus 1, that is 1 into 3 power 3 square, that is 9 minus 1 by 2 into here 5 square, that is 25 minus 1 by 4. That is going to be 15 into this is 8 by 2 into this is 24 by 4. Okay, this is 4 times and it is 6 times. So the answer is 15 into 4. Okay, that is 6, that is 360. 15 4s are 60, 60 times of 6 is 360. So out of given options, the second option is the right answer. If you list out all the factors of all the divisors of 120, if you add up, the summation is otherwise 360. No need to do that. There is a direct formula to do this. Using this formula, we will be able to find out the sum of the dividers in a easy manner. That is 360. Okay. Now we will move to the next question. The sum of all factors of 45,000 which are exactly the multiples of 10. Which are exactly the multiples of 10. So here we have to apply a logic. We have to add up the factors which are multiples of 10. So instead of finding factors of 45,000, we can do one thing. We can find out the factors of 4,500. Find out the factors of 4,500. Why 4,500? Because 45,000 is nothing but 4,500 times of 10. 4,500 times of 10. So you find out the factors of it, then as it is multiplied with 10, each factor will be multiplied with 10. Then add up all the factors of it, then each is multiplied with 10. So the required answer will obtain. The sum of all factors of 45,000 which are exactly the multiples of 10. So what to do? Find out the factors of it, find out the sum of the factors of this 4,500, then it is multiplied with 10 every time. So every factor is a multiple of 10 now. All they are summing up. So the required answer we get. Instead of doing 45,000 and all, it's a simple way. Now 45,000, if you prime factorize, what you are going to have? It is 2 times 5 times 0, then it is 2 times means 11 to 5. Okay, then 2 plus 2 4, 3 divides this, so 3 3s are 9, it is 22, 7 3s are and 5, again 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7, 15, again 3 you can divide with 1, 2 3s are 6, 5 times, again 1 plus 2 plus 5, only 5 divides here, 5 25s and again 5 5s. Okay. Now 4,500 we are going to write as 2 square into 3 square into 5 cube. Okay, because 2 into 2, 2 square, 3 into 3, 3 square, 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5 cube. So 4,500 we can write as that. Now sum of the factors, let us find out. Sum of the factors of 4,500. Already we know the process. What to do that? 2 to the power of 2 plus 1, that is 3, minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into 3 to the power of 2 plus 1, that is 3, minus 1 by 3 minus 1 into 5 to the power of 4 minus 1 by 5 minus 1. That is going to be 2 cube minus 1, that is 8 minus 1, that is 7 into, it is 3 cube, 27 minus 1, that is 26 upon 2 into 5 over 4, that is 625 minus 1, that is 624 by 4. That is otherwise 7 into, it is 13 times into, it is nothing but 1, 15 4s are 60 and 6 4s are. Okay, if you multiply this entire value, it is going to be 14196. 14196. But what is the answer? The sum of all factors of 45,000. But we are finding for only for 4,500. You want for 45,000 which are multiples of 10. Therefore, the required answer for this is this 14196 times of 10. That is 141,960. Okay, that is the logic we are applying. So the right option for this question is second option. Okay, that is the end of today's assignment. Thank you. Have a great day.